Before I jump into the video, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos about weight loss and fat burning methods. Are you looking for a way to get a great tan? What you need is olive oil. It has moisturizing minerals that will go deep into your skin to make it soft and smooth. The luster of this oil is what makes it a fantastic tanning oil, as it attracts the sun's heat. Would you like to know more about olive oil and tanning? Then watch this video till end. How to use olive oil for tanning. There are different types of olive oil, and for a great tan, what you need is extra virgin olive oil. Make sure that you have a large bottle and a timer before you start. All you need to do is lay a large sized towel on a tanning bed or chair. Set your timer to 30 minutes. Once you know how your skin reacts to the oil, you can make adjustments to the time you spend tanning. Apply the oil to a small piece of cloth or towel and rub it all over the front of your body, not forgetting your face. Lay down on your back as soon as you start the timer. Relax and close your eyes. Once the 30 minutes are over, rub the olive oil with the cloth all over the back of your body. If you wish to, you can rub the oil off your face now. Set another 30 minutes on your timer and lay face down on your tanning bed. When your tanning session is done, wash off the olive oil thoroughly in the shower with soap. That is all you need to do to get the perfect tanning with olive oil. Half an hour is all you need, as this fantastic oil shortens the tanning period by a large extent when compared to the time it takes with other tanning lotions. Tips to remember before you get a tan using olive oil. There are a few handy tips that you should keep in mind. They will help you get the effect you desire. These tips include the following. 1. Learn about the different types of olive oil. It is important to know about the different varieties of olive oil that are out there. What you want is pure olive oil. The processed types have artificial ingredients that may not suit your skin. As mentioned earlier, extra virgin olive oil is the best, as it is the purest. 2. Learn how it helps your skin tan. As you know, olive oil comes with many benefits for health as well as for skin. Its natural properties make your skin soft and silky smooth. The heat of the sun is attracted by its luster, and this is something that you do not get with other tanning products. Olive oil can give you a tan that is browner and deeper, and it takes very little time. 3. Learn how to use it. It is not hard to learn how to use olive oil for tanning. All you need to do is make sure that you apply it evenly all over your body. Set the time for 30 minutes, as it is just the right amount of time you need to get a beautiful tan. You can always adjust it if needed. 4. Learn how to apply it. The best way to apply olive oil on your skin for a tan is to use a small towel or piece of cloth. Soak the cloth generously into the oil and massage it evenly on the exposed parts of your body. Keep in mind that your skin should be dry before application. Be generous while applying the oil, but do not apply so much that it starts to drip. 5. Learn how to end your tanning session properly. When you have tanned your front for 30 minutes, repeat the procedure on your back. Once your entire body is done, it is important that you wash the oil off completely. You can use ordinary soap, but if you want a more luxurious treatment, have a fragrant bubble bath and relax for a while. Gently wash the oil off with a loofah and feel how soft and smooth your skin becomes. 6. Learn to be careful. As you know, extensive exposure to the sun can cause a lot of damage. It can result in premature aging and skin cancer. You can also damage your eyes if they are exposed to the sun for too long. This is why you always need to be careful when you are tanning. It is best not to stay in direct sunlight for over an hour on each side. Apart from the dangerous effects just mentioned, you could end up getting sunburnt as your skin absorbs the olive oil. Getting a tan with a beneficial oil like olive oil is far better than using the suntan lotions that you find in the stores. It is also a much safer alternative to sunbeds and other tanning devices, since it is in its natural form. There are no chemicals or other harmful artificial ingredients that could damage your skin. By using olive oil, you also minimize the risk of developing skin conditions and heal skin infections, if any. If you want a beautiful bronze tan this season, do not bother with the commercial products. Just get a large bottle of extra virgin olive oil and you will have a great tan in a short amount of time. By using this wonderful oil, you give your skin all the awesome benefits that it provides. Not only will you look sun-kissed, but you will also get skin that is soft, smooth and glowing all year round. Do tell us how you liked this post. You can comment in the box below. We would love to hear from you. Did you like this video? Please subscribe our channel and push like button for further updates.